bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Paramashi
Nityanandam. Before we begin the Pada Puja and Paramashiva Puja today, we request all the Pada Puja participants and everybody else participating in this puja physically here and online to declare the following with integrity and authenticity. If you agree to this, please say yes loudly. I authentically cognize, which is internally processed, understand and declare the truth that cosmic energy exists. Yes, I authentically cognize, which is internally processed, understand and declare the truth that His Divine Holiness Swamiji, Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti, Guru Paduka and the Atmalinga are the Chinmaya Vigrahas, embodiment of that very cosmic energy. Yes, I authentically which is internally processed, understand and declare the truth that whatever I offer during the Pada Puja to His Divine Holiness Swamiji and the Paramashiva Puja to Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti will reach the cosmic source of energy directly. Yes. I authentically cognize, which is internally processed, understand and declare the truth of Sohamasmi, that even when I worship, I am Him. Yes. Let us now enter the Pratyaksha Pada Puja, followed by the Paramashiva Puja. Now please be seated in a meditative space of gratitude and deep restful awareness in your Ananda Gandha. The first is the Satguru Vandanam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and close your eyes and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Nityanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadisham Tattvamasya Adhilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhi Sakshi Bhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Satgurum Tam Namami. The next is the Guru Parampara Vandanam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Samarambham Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Madhyamam Asmadacharya Padyantam Vande Guru Paramparam. The next is the Arunagiri Yogeshwara Vandanam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and offer and close your eyes and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. ललाटे त्रिपुण्ड्री नितिलकृतकस्तूरी तिलकः स्फुरन्मालाधार स्फुरितकटिकौपीनवसनः दधानो दुस्तारं शिरसि फनिराजं शशिकलां प्रदीपः सर्वेषाम् अरुणगिरियोगी विजयते. The next is the Tattva Chamanam, the ritualistic cleansing of the mouth. Now keep your right hand, pour 1 uddarni of water from the Panchapatram. While chanting each of the following mantras internally, drink the water that flows through the base of the palm. Om Atmatattvam Shodhayami Swadha. Om Vidyatattvam Shodhayami Swadha. Om Shivatattvam Shodhayami Swadha. Chanting the following mantras internally, wipe the upper and lower lips twice using the base of the right hand thumb, moving the hand from right to left of the lips. Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha. Wash your right hand with the water in the Panchapatram. With the tips of the right hand index, middle and ring fingers touch above the upper lips and below the lower lips. With the tips of the right hand index finger and thumb joined together, touch the right nostril, left nostril. With the tips of the right hand ring finger and thumb joined together, touch the right eye, right ear, left ear. Wash your right hand with the water in the Panchapatram. With the base of the right hand thumb and little finger, touch the navel, right chest, left chest. With the right hand fingertips together, touch the top of the head, right shoulder, left shoulder, the heart center. The next is the Shuklambaradharam. Please take the Akshata in your right hand, clench your hands, and tap the sides of your forehead 5 times.
Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye.
The next is the Pranayama. Continue to keep the Akshata in your right hand. Now open only the little finger, ring finger and the thumb. During the pranayama, use the thumb to close the right nostril and the ring and little finger to close the left nostril. Closing the right nostril, inhale slowly through the left nostril. Once you've inhaled fully, close both the nostrils and hold the breath inside as long as possible. Exhale through the right nostril alone very slowly. During this inhalation, retention, and exhalation, chant the following mantras 3 times internally. ओम होम ईशानमूर्धाय नमः ओम ह्रीं तत्पुरुषवक्त्राय नमः ओम होम अघोरहृदयाय नमः ओम ह्रीं वामदेवगुह्याय नमः ओम हम सद्योजातमूर्तये नमः ओम हम हृदयाय नमः ओम ह्रीं शिरसे नमः ओम हम शिखायै नमः
ओम ह्रीं कवचाय नमः
ओम हम नेत्रेभ्यो नमः ओम हस्ताय नमः ओम होम ईशानमूर्धाय नमः ओम ह्रीं तत्पुरुषवक्त्राय नमः ओम हम अघोरहृदयाय नमः ओम ह्रीं वामदेवगुह्याय नमः ओम हम सद्योजातमूर्तये नमः ओम हम हृदयाय नमः ओम ह्रीं शिरसे नमः ओम हम शिखायै नमः
ओम ह्रीं कवचाय नमः
ओम हम नेत्रेभ्यो नमः ओम हस्ताय नमः ओम हम ईशानमूर्धाय नमः ओम ह्रीं तत्पुरुषवक्त्राय नमः ओम हम अघोरहृदयाय नमः ओम ह्रीं वामदेवगुह्याय नमः ओम हम सद्योजातमूर्तये नमः ओम हम हृदयाय नमः ओम ह्रीं शिरसे नमः ओम हम शिखायै नमः ओम ह्रीं कवचाय नमः ओम हम नेत्रेभ्यो नमः ओम हस्ताय नमः. Now keeping the akshata in your left palm and closing it with your right palm and keeping both the hands on the right thigh, chanting the following mantras and then drop the akshata down in the knot at the end of the mantra. The next is the sankalpa. Om Namopata Samasta Duritakshaya Dwara Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Prityartham Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Prityartham Cha Shubhe Shobhane Muhurte Adhya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Pararde Shri Shvetavaraha Kalpe Vaivashvatamanvantare Ashtavimshatitame Nityayuge Prathame Pade Jambodvipe Bharatavarshe Bharatakande Meroho Dakshine Parshve Shakabde Asmin Vartamane Vyavaharike Prabhavadinam Shashyaha Samvatsaranam Madhye Vikarinam Samvatsare Uttarayane Lakshmi Venkateshwara Rito Vrishabhamase Krishna Pakshe Amavasyam Shubhadito Somavasara Yuktayam Rohini Nakshatra Sukarman Yoga Nagavakarana Evam Guna Visheshana Vishishtayam Asyam Shubhadito Shri Kailasunnata Dwadashanta Shyamala Pitharudha Shri Meenakshi Sundareshwara Bhinna Swarupa Parashivaputra Ratna Kumara Gurumanya Tulyavatara Shri Parvati Stanyapana Labdha Divya Jnana Vishruta Sakala Nigama Gama Sarabhuta Dravida Veda Pravaktre Shrimat Paramashiva Karuna Samadhigata Muktamaya Chaturashayana Ghiyamana Chatta Chamara Shri Chinha Kahaladi Samasta Birada Valyalankrita Jnana Vijnana Chakravarti Sarvajana Sangha Sadyo Nirvana Diksha Vyapavarga Varsha Vishwana Jimuta Paramata Kalabha Kesari Shaiva Siddhanta Sthapanacharya Shri Rajadhiraja Pandya Maharaja Guru Shapana Shakhyadi Mahandakara Nivarana Jnana Bhanu Vikshana Narara Dvajochedana Purvaka Shrimat Vrishabhadvaja Sthapaka Shaiva Samaya Kartre Sarvagnya Pitharudha Shri Jagat Guru Shri Jnana Sambandha Deshika Swami Vagisha Sundara Manikya Vachaka Swami Nam Avatara Bhuta Shri Jnana Sambandha Swami Punaruddhata Shamala Pita Mahasamsthana Jnana Samrajya Shasaka Sarvagnya Pitharudha Trinavadyuttara Dushatatama Guru Mahasannidhana Kailasha Paramparagata Surya Vamsha Sarvagnya Pita Surangi Samrajya Shashika Mahanirvani Pitasya Ashtottara Sahasra Shri Mahamandaleshwara Atala Pitasya Ashtottara Sahasratama Ashtottara Sahasra Shri Atala Pitadishwara Dharma Mukti Swarga Pura Swarna Pitasya Trayo Vimsha Guru Mahasannidhana श्रीमत्परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यवर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्यमंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रचित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्त्रे कैलास पुनरुद्धारक जगद्गुरु शील श्री भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां प्रीत्यर्थं तेषां पादारविन्दयोः भक्ति सिद्ध्यर्थं गुरुकृपा कटाक्ष सिद्ध्यर्थं क्षेम स्थैर्य वीर विजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्याणाम् अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध फल पुरुषार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थं मम समस्त दुरितोपशान्त्यर्थं समस्त मंगलावाप्यर्थं भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव प्रसादेन सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थं श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव अवतार भूत श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूप भगवन् श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव प्रत्यक्ष पाद पूजां च करिष्ये श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव पूजां च करिष्ये.
Now wash your hands with the water in the Panchapatram.
Om abhupasprishya.
The next is the Gantanada. Now ring the bell with your left hand loudly as you chant the mantra.
Om आगमातन्तु देवानां गमनातन्तु रक्षसां घण्टानादं करोन्यातो देवता वानलाञ्छनं घण्टा देवताभ्यो नमः.
The next is the Manasa Puja. Now please take some flowers in your hands and close it in the Kurma Mudra and offer the flowers at the end of the mantra.
Om हृत्पद्ममासनं दद्यात् सहस्रारच्युतां हृदैः पाद्यं चरणयोर्दद्यात् मनस्तु अर्घ्यं निवेदयेत् तेन अमृतेन आचमनीयं स्नानीयं तेन च स्मृतम् आकाशतत्त्वं वस्त्रं स्यात् गन्धः स्यात् गन्धतत्त्वकं चित्तं प्रकल्पयेत् पुष्पं धूपं प्राणां प्रकल्पयेत् तेजस्तत्त्वं च दीपार्थं नैवेद्यं स्यात् सुधाम्बुधिः अनाहतध्वनिर्घण्टा वायुतत्त्वं च चामरं सहस्रारं भवेत् छत्रं शब्दतत्त्वं च गीतकं नृत्यमेन्द्रियकर्माणि चाञ्चल्यं मनसस्तथा सुमेखलां पद्ममालां पुष्पं नानाविधं तथा अमायाध्यैर्भावपुष्पैः अर्चयेत् भावगोचरम् अमायं मनहङ्कारम् अरागं ममदं तथा अमोहकं मदम्भं च अद्वेषाक्षोभकौ तथा अमात्सर्यं मलोभं च दशपुष्पं विदुर्बुधाः अहिंसा परमं पुष्पं पुष्पमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः दया पुष्पं क्षमा पुष्पं ज्ञानपुष्पं च पञ्चमम् इति पञ्चदशैर्भावपुष्पैः सम्पूजयेत् भगवन्तं श्री नित्यानन्द परमशिवम्.
The first offering is the offering of the asanam. Now please take some flowers and akshata in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
आसनम् ॐ सर्वभूतान्तरस्थाय सर्वभूतान्तरात्मने कल्पयामि भवेशार्थम् आसनं ते नमो नमः. ॐ ह्रीं इदं सुवर्णासनं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः.
The next is Swagatam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
Swagatam Om Shantatvat Sarvakatritvat Bhavo Paratikaranat Shiva Ukto Mahatantra Mantra Vibhis Sada Shiva Tasmai Shivaya Gurave Vitaraga Kalaya Vai अमेयत्वात् अनन्तोऽयम् अजत्वा च प्रकीर्तितः यस्य दर्शनमिच्छन्ति देवाः स्वाभीष्टसिद्धये तस्मै ते परमेशान स्वागतं स्वागतं प्रभो अद्य मे सबलं जन्म जीवनं सबला क्रियाः स्वागतं यत्त्वया तन्मे तपसां फलमागतम् ॐ ह्रीं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूप भगवन् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव स्वागतं सुस्वागतं ते.
The next is the offering of the Padyam. Now please take an udani of water in your hands and offer it to His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
पाद्यम् ॐ यद्भक्तिलेश सम्पर्कात् परमानन्द संप्लवः तस्मै ते परमेशान पाद्यं शुद्धाय कल्पये ॐ ह्रीं एतत् पाद्यं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः.
The next is the Arghya. Now please take the conch in your hands and offer the Arghya at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
अर्घ्यः ॐ दुर्वाक्षतसमायुक्तं बिल्वपत्रं तथा परं शोभनं शङ्खपात्रस्थं गृहाणार्घ्यं महेश्वर ॐ ह्रीं येषोऽर्घ्यः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय स्वाहा.
The next offering is the Achamaniyam. Now please take an udani of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
आचमनीयम् ॐ मन्दाकिन्यास्तु यद्वारी सर्वपापहरं शुभं गृहाणाचमनीयं त्वं मया भक्त्या निवेदितम् ॐ ह्रीं इदम् आचमनीयोदकं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय स्वधा.
The next is the Madhuparka. Now please take the Madhuparka and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
मधुपर्कः ॐ सर्वकल्मषनाशाय परिपूर्णसुधात्मकं मधुपर्कमिमं देव कल्पयामि प्रसीद मे ॐ ह्रीं एष मधुपर्कः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय स्वधा.
The next is the offering of the Gandhatailam. Now please take the Gandhatailam, the scented oil in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
गन्धतैलम् ॐ स्नेहं गृहाण स्नेहेन लोकानामितकारक सर्वलोकेषु शुद्धस्त्वं ददामि स्नेहमुत्तमम् ॐ ह्रीं इदं गन्धतैलं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय निवेदयामि.
The next is the Snaniyam. Now please take an udani of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra and please ring the bell as you do so.
स्नानीयम् ॐ इदं सुशीतलं वारी स्वच्छं शुद्धं मनोहरं स्नानार्थं ते मया भक्त्या कल्पितं प्रतिगृह्यताम् ॐ ह्रीं इदं स्नानीयोदकं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय निवेदयामि.
The next is the offering of the Vastram. Now please take the offering of clothes in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
Vastram Om Maya Chitrapatachanna Nijagukhyoru Tejase Niravarana Vignaya Vasaste Kalpayamyaham Om Hrim Idam वस्त्रोत्तरीयं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय निवेदयामि.
The next offering is the Abharanam. Now please take the jewelry in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
आभरणम् ॐ स्वभावसुन्दराङ्गाय नानाशक्त्याश्रयाय ते सुवर्णं भूषणं तुभ्यं कल्पयामि प्रसीद मे. ॐ ह्रीं इदं सुवर्णाभरणं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय निवेदयामि.
The next is the Gandha. Now please take the sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
गन्धः ॐ शरीरं तेन जानामि चेष्टां नैव च मया निवेदितान् गन्धान् प्रतिगृह्य विलिप्यताम्. ॐ ह्रीं एष गन्धः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः.
The next is the offering of the Pushpam. Now please take some flowers smeared with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
पुष्पम् ॐ तुरीयवनसम्पन्नं नानागुणमनोहरम् आनन्दसौरभं पुष्पं गृह्यतामिदमुत्तमम्. ॐ ह्रीं एतानि सचन्दनपुष्पाणि सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय वौषटे.
The next offering is the Bilva Patram. Now please take the Bilva leaf smeared with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra.
बिल्वपत्रम् ॐ अमृतोद्भवं श्रीवृक्षं शङ्करस्य सदा प्रियं बिल्वपत्रं प्रयच्छामि पवित्रं ते सुरेश्वर. ॐ ह्रीं एतानि सचन्दनबिल्वपत्राणि सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय वौषटे.
The next is the offering of the Tulasi Patram. Now please take the Tulsi leaf smeared with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
तुलसी पत्रम् ॐ नमस्ते बहुरूपाय वरदमूर्तये परमात्मने स्वाहा. ॐ ह्रीं इदं सचन्दनतुलसी पत्रं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः.
The next is the offering of the Dhupa. Now please take the lit incense sticks in your hands and slowly wave towards His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra, and please ring the bell as you do so.
धूपः ॐ वनस्पतिरसो दिव्यो गन्धाढ्यः सुमनोहरः आग्रेय सर्वदेवानां धूपोऽयं प्रतिगृह्यताम्. ॐ ह्रीं एष धूपः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः.
The next is the Deepa. Now please take the lit lamp in your hands and slowly wave towards His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra, and please ring the bell as you do so.
दीपः ॐ सुप्रकाशो महादीपः सर्वतस्तिनिरापः सभाभ्याभ्यन्तरज्योतिर्दीपोऽयं प्रतिगृह्यताम्. ॐ ह्रीं एष दीपः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः.
The next is the offering of the Naivedyam. Now take an udani of water and hover it clockwise over the Naivedyam. Please chant the mantras and ring the bell as you do so.
नैवेद्यम् ॐ नैवेद्यं विविधं देव शर्करादिविनिर्मितं मया निवेदितं
भक्त्या गृहाण
परमेश्वर ॐ ह्रीं इदं सोपकरणनैवेद्यं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवाय निवेदयामि.
The next offering is the Paniyam. Now please take an udani of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's Padika after the mantra.
पानीयम् ॐ समस्तदेवदेवेश सर्वतृप्तिकरं परम् अखण्डानन्दसम्पूर्णं गृहाणजलमुत्तमम् ॐ ह्रीं इदं पानातोदकम् सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवाय नमः.
The next is the Punarajamaniyam. Now please take an udani of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet after the mantra.
पुनराचमनीयम् ॐ
उच्छिष्टमप्य शुचिर्वा यस्य
स्मरणमात्रतः शुद्धिमाप्नोति तस्मै ते पुनराचमनीयकम् ॐ ह्रीं इदं पुनराचमनीयोदकं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवाय स्वदा.
The next is the Aratikam. Now please take the lit lamp in your hands and slowly wave towards Swamiji along with the mantras, and please ring the bell as you do so.
आरात्रिकम् ॐ ह्रीं एषा दीपमाला सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवाय नमः. ॐ राजाधिराजाय प्रसन्नसायिने नमो वयं वै शवनाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यम् कामेश्वरो वै
स्वामी ओम जय नित्यानंद ओम जय नित्यानंद स्वामी जय जय नित्यानंद लोकनाथ स्थित काशो भगवान कलिकल्मषमग्नाना नित्या उद्धारण चिकीर्षया स्वामी ओम जय नित्यानंद ध्यानेस्तथा शुद्ध ज्ञानस्य मार्गो प्रदर्शितो द्वौ नित्या प्रदर्शितो द्वौ नित्या तयोर्गतानां ध्रुवनायकोऽसि तयोर्गतानां ध्रुवनायकोऽसि भगवान् नित्यानन्द स्वामी जय जय नित्यानंद ओम जय नित्यानंद स्वामी जय जय नित्यानंद लोकनाथ स्थित काशो भगवान कलिकल्मषमग्नाना नित्या उद्धारण चिकीर्षया स्वामी ओम जय नित्यानंद ध्यायन्ति यं नित्यमभेददृष्ट्या गुरु नित्यानन्द स्वामी गुरु नित्यानन्द चतुराश्रमधर्मविहीन शान्ता चतुराश्रमधर्मविहीन शान्ता ध्यानविधूतचित्ता स्वामी ओम जय नित्यानंद ओम जय नित्यानंद स्वामी जय जय नित्यानंद लोकनाथ स्थित काशो भगवान कलिकल्मषमग्नाना
स्वामिकी जय।
The first offering of today's Uttamottama Seva is the offering of the Paramashivoham Oneness Capsule. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Paramashivoham Advaita Darshana Priya Paramashivoham Advaita Darshanam Avadharaya.
नित्यानंदा मुक्तिदायक नित्यानंदा बोलो नित्यानंदा सदा शिवा तुम नित्यानंदा मुक्ति प्रदायक नित्यानंदा तीनों लोक में गूंजती है नाद तेरी डमरू की माया जाल से जगाने के डमरू बाजेगा जाल से जगाने ये डमरू बाजेगा डम 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 डमरू ये डमरू बाजेगा डम 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 डमरू ये डमरू बाजेगा संसार देगा। बोलो नित्य 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 नित्यानंद, 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 बोलो नित्यानंद नित्य नित्यानंद, बोलो नित्यानंद नित्य नित्यानंद, बोलो नित्य 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 नित्यानंद, बोलो नित्य 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 नित्यानंद।
The Noakhali Massacre of 1946. 5,000 Hindus were killed, with 350,000 forced to convert to Islam. HinduGenocide.com reports the massacre started on the 10th of October of 1946, the day of Kojagari Lakshmi Puja, and continued unabated for about a week. It is estimated that over 5,000 Hindus were killed, hundreds of Hindu women were raped, and thousands of Hindu men and women were forcibly converted to Islam. Around 50,000 to 75,000 survivors were sheltered in temporary relief camps in Comilla, Chandpur, Agartala, and other places. Apart from that, around 50,000 Hindus remained marooned in the affected areas. Miss Muriel Leister, member of a relief committee sent to Noakhali, wrote on the 6th of November 1946, "Worst of all was the plight of women. Several of them had to watch their husbands being murdered and then be forcibly converted and married to some of those responsible for their death. Those women had a dead look. It was not despair, nothing so active as that. It was blackness. The eating of beef and declaration of allegiance to Islam has been forced upon many thousands as the price of their lives." Amrita Bazar Patrika on the 23rd of October 1946 wrote, "For the 13th day today, about 120 villages remained besieged by hooligans. Death stares the people of these areas in their face, most of whom have been without food for the last few days. Every report gives gruesome accounts of the atrocities meted out to Hindus. Not only were they massacred and starved, they were forced to convert to Islam in the most cruel, inhuman ways possible." The Statesman on October 10, 1946 writes, "The district magistrate and the police superintendent of Noakhali took no step to prevent it. Hindu women were raped in large numbers. Sadly, even Bengali Hindus are woefully ignorant of the fate of their own ancestors."
If you feel responsibility is a power, you make your life successful.
When we say Dakshinamurti teaches in silence, it is not that he never utters a word, but just by a word, he will transmit petabytes of information.
He sat as Dakshinamurti in his formless space. His very presence vibrated And all the rishis received that great truths.
दक्षिणामूर्तये च विद्महे ज्ञानहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो धीः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ दक्षिणामूर्तये च विद्महे ज्ञानहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो धीः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ दक्षिणामूर्तये च विद्महे ज्ञानहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो धीः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ दक्षिणामूर्तये च विद्महे ज्ञानहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो धीः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ दक्षिणामूर्तये च विद्महे ज्ञानहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो धीः प्रचोदयात्।
Hindu knowledge transmission is totally different from anything known to the world by the name education. What Paramashiva shared with me, it was like intense cosmic downloading happening. One day, I was looking at him so deeply. Literally everything he was revealing was getting into my system. So deep, like if he utters one word, like a condensed 1 petabyte material, information will be transferred into my system. Listen. The words he uttered and the quantity and quality of the information transmitted was unimaginable. Every word he was uttering, petabytes of information was getting transmitted into my system. The system was getting loaded. When we say Dakshinamurti teaches in silence, it is not that he never utters a word, but the number of words uttered and the quantity and quality of the knowledge, information transmitted does not logically
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याधिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं Sadgurum tam namami. Nityanandam, welcome all of you for today's exciting Nitya Satsang with the avatar Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashivam himself. More than anything, I'm just too excited to share with all of you the message that Swamiji had shared today. I have no words to actually put in on how excited Swamiji is about this Shyamala Pita Sarvajna Pitam. Shyamala Pita Sarvajna Pitam. This is actually the history of it. See, the origin of it is from time immemorial. From the time Paramashiva happened, this has existed. But the establishment of it, which is recorded in the history, was by Devi Meenakshi herself. The Chitagnikunda Sambhuta, the one who's born
out of that fire. The Chitagni Kunda, meaning Chitta, our inner space. And Agni is that fire of seeking that lights our inner space with. When it is Chitagni Kunda Sambhuta, the one who's manifested in that fire itself, Devi Meenakshi had literally, she was born from fire. The fire, the flames of the Putrakameshti Homa witnessed the materialization of Devi Meenakshi, King Malaya Dwaja, and the Queen Kanchanamala, both of them were, actually there's no words to spell out how excited and blessed they felt. It is not just their longing to have a heir to the throne, but the intense seeking King Malaya Dwaja had to revive the spiritual enlightenment ecosystem. Swamiji had shared about it even yesterday. And today, Swamiji shared a very, very exciting message. I know most of you have already seen and shared it. That actually shows how excited and so enthusiastic Swamiji is about this whole Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Pitam. This is a very seed which, just by its presence, adds power to the place where it is placed. The beautiful recital of Sri Lalita Sahasranama Sotram, where it starts with Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, Shrimat Simhasaneshwari. That Shrimat Simhasaneshwari describes not someone else but Devi Meenakshi herself. The Lalita Sahasranama Stotram starts by the description of Meenakshi. Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, the one who's the queen of the whole universe itself. Who else other than Devi Meenakshi is the queen of all the three worlds? And it continues. Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta, meaning the one who is born out of that fire of Chidagni. And today, that very place where the Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta happened is our Kailasa, the Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Pitam. And so many people had also requested to be part of the Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Pitam as a Kailasavasi. And few more beings have decided to be deified, ready to breathe the air that Meenakshi herself had breathed and is breathing. Actually, more than anything, more than me telling more and more about this, I really want to share that message that Swamiji has shared. You all can see it now. You can actually even go to Swamiji's wall and have a look at it. Starts with updates. The re-establishment of Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Pitam has reignited the spiritual spirit all over the sacred city of Madurai. The arrival of a huge family of deities filled the air with the celebration, delight, boosting the power of the enlightenment ecosystem. Silver puja items, in addition to the beautiful golden prabhavalis, pitams, and simhasans, accentuated the royal vibes that is pulsating along with the sacredness. Organic garden, springing up with beautiful flower-laden plants, along with the banyan tree, has commenced to adorn the feet of all the deities of Madurai. Purebred desi cows that are being brought up with utmost care and non-violence are going to be roofed under the Goshala getting constructed in Tiruparangundram. Offering of Annadan has begun as a grand feast quenching the very souls of all those coming here for Devi Meenakshi's darshan. Blessings to all the beings who have decided to live in this sacred Shyamala Peetam, breathing the very air breathed by Devi Meenakshi. Welcome to Meenakshi's home. Blessings to all those who decided to become a Kailasavasi here. The official training will be starting on July 1st, 2019. Anybody who's interested to join can mail to contact@kailasa.org. I also bless the next batch of people who have mailed their intention to be deified and become the Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Pita, the abbreviation as SSDP, in the form of Ejamans and Kartas by the Guru Purnima. And Somji has also mentioned few names like Yogendra Sharma, Saraswati Jampala, and Sailvi Crossier. I had really no words other than just reading it again and again and again. The whole post is filled with excitement, lighting all our beings literally. From the time the Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Peetam, actually this whole thing is inside the Meenakshi temple. The Meenakshi temple, where it has 4 entrances and it has many compound walls like layers. And our Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Peetam is in the closest layer, just few steps away from the main temple. Of course, all of us would have seen the pictures that Somji has posted just yesterday. And actually, if you just stand at the terrace and peep, you'll be able to see all the 4 gopurams, the temple towers. And below, if you see, every morning, the Kailasavasis who already started residing in this Shyamala Peetam go and witness, had darshan of Meenakshi as soon as she comes out of her room, gracing all the devotees with the Suprabhata darshan. Meaning just before the Palli Ezhi time. Palli Ezhi is a sacred ritual that is performed to wake up the deities. All these guys are having such an exciting, soul delightful time there, because every morning the routine starts. Anything for them starts, the day starts with having Devi Meenakshi's darshan. And not just that, because this Sarvanya Peetam and the Putrakamishti Yajna happened here in our Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Peetam, within our premises. The whole place is filled with that vibration. You can actually see the air, very air there is laden with so much of intense energy and power. Anybody just stepping into that place will immediately be able to sense the presence of Devi Meenakshi. Continuous miracles and too many exciting things are happening. And Swamiji is also so excited about this thing. And that is why Swamiji even blessed a group of people who have decided to become Kailasavasis here, who are excited, knowing this is the chance to live forever in her breathing space. Living and breathing her breath is not a joke. Understand, you will not just will be living now. See, by becoming a Kailasavasi, you will be living now. If you're also becoming the SSJP, whether as a Yajaman or a Karta, be rest assured you will remain in the form of a deity continuously, breathing the very air that comes out of Meenakshi, eating that very prasadam after that was offered to Devi Meenakshi, listening to all the glories which will be continuously be sung by all the devotees who are coming there. What a life to live after you leave the body. When we are living in the body, the best thing one can do to themselves is to live in the breathing space of a living master. Swamiji had blessed that he himself in his, like, you don't need anything else, but you will be able to physically see Swamiji in his Divya Sharira form present in this Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Pitam. There are so many exciting news. Every day we are going to be having continuous updates. Just yesterday, a huge number of deities arrived here, and the whole Madurai is literally celebrating the way Shyamala Pita Sarvanya Pitam is evolving. I really request all of you to take a few minutes and share this exciting news in as many places as possible. I'm just thinking, just this one message reaching to the right people, it'll just awaken their being. So many beings are just waiting for this message to be reached. You will become that amazing channel through which Devi Meenakshi herself is going to flow through you and reach out to her devotees who are just waiting, longing for that time where they can get to live in her breathing space. So many people had lived during her time. Now, so many of them would have come down again to live with her. By you sharing this post of Swamiji, understand there is every possibility that you will be able to reach out directly to all those devotees. That is why I'm reiterating at this point, share it in as many places as possible. Don't even bother whether you know that person, don't know that person. Share in all the groups and pages that you're part of. Let's make this viral. Make this news viral. And fulfill all those longing beings just yearning to live in the breathing space of Devi Meenakshi. Yearning to know what kind of things are manifesting. So you can see in the message itself, the way things are being manifested is just exponential. Whether it is the silver puja items that had come, or the beautiful flowers that are growing in our organic garden, or the pure organic milk that is coming from our amazing cows that are just groomed with compassion. So many things are happening there now. I really request all of you, just take a few minutes and share this post virally. Just each of you sharing it in maybe even 50 pages and groups. Somehow we will be able to reach out to all those beings who are really, really waiting for this news to be heard by them.
Sari za za zari za, pari pa mari mari za. Sari za za zari za, pari pa mari mari za.
So exciting to see so many of you who have taken your time and started celebrating this amazing message by sharing it and reaching out to so many people. I really thank all of you, and I'm also looking forward to see many more people joining us in the celebration of reaching this message to all those earning devotees. I can actually tell earning beings.
Pari pa mari mari za, sari za za zari za, pari pa mari mari za. रुद्राय ते नमः वीरभद्राय ते नमः नित्यानन्दाय ते नमः
உந்தன் சந்நிதி நான் தேடி வந்தேன் முருகனே எந்தன் உயிரும் முருக பாடுவேன் உனை முருகனே உந்தன் சந்நிதி நான் தேடி வந்தேன்
ನಿತ್ಯನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣತ್ವದ ಕರೆ ಆಲಿಸು ನಿತ್ಯನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣತ್ವದ ಕರೆ ಆಲಿಸು ನಿತ್ಯನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣತ್ವದ ಕರೆ ಆಲಿಸು ನಿತ್ಯನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣತ್ವದ ಕರೆ ಅದ್ವೈತವೆಂಬುದು ಪರಮ ಸತ್ಯವು ಸತ್ಯವನು ಅತಿ ಸುಲಭ ಮಾಡಿಹನು ಅದ್ವೈತವೆಂಬುದು ಪರಮ ಸತ್ಯವು ಈ ಸತ್ಯವನು ಅತಿ ಸುಲಭ ಮಾಡಿಹನು ಸತ್ಯಯುಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಡುವ ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಸತ್ಯಯುಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಡುವ ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿತ್ಯನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣತ್ವದ ಕರೆ ಆಲಿಸು ನಿತ್ಯನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣತ್ವದ ಕರೆ
jaggi nak jaggi 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 jaggi nak
ಕೈಲಾಸವೆಂಬುದು ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನಂದವೆಂಬುದು ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೈಲಾಸವೆಂಬುದು ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನಂದವೆಂಬುದು ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದನ ಸನ್ನಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದನ ಸನ್ನಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿತ್ಯನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣತ್ವದ ಕರೆ ಆಲಿಸು ನಿತ್ಯನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣತ್ವದ ಕರೆ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧನ್ವಂತರಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ದೀನೋದ್ಧರಣ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ದಿವ್ಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರದಾತ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಜೀವನ್ ಮುಕ್ತಿದಾತ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ದೇವಾದಿದೇವ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಶ್ರೀ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧನ್ವಂತರಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯ
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द
देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव ज्ञानपाद विवर्ण प्रिय ज्ञानपाद विवरणम अवधारय
सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् I welcome you all with my love and respects. We will continue from today on Patanjali Yoga Sutras. From today, next 10 days, I'll be spending I'll be doing elaborate discussions, spending a lot of time. Maybe I'll be talking on 2-3 sutras, because from today, next 1 week, all the ashramites will have holiday from their department. Only the essentials will run, like a kitchen, temple. All other departments can take off. Next 1 week, we will concentrate on the spiritual accounting. Means seeing what we achieved spiritually, how much we raised consciously in last 1 year, what way we can raise, in this year. So every year we will dedicate the first 1 week of the year for spiritual accounting. So except the essentials, we'll wind up all the departments and rest. This is my instruction to all the ashramites all over the world, all the ashrams, temples, centers. Next 1 week, only the essentials like a temples, kitchen, which we can't shut down. All other possible departments without which we can survive, please shut down everything. And next 1 week, spend time in spiritual contemplation and spiritual accounting. What we gained spiritually internally last year, this year what we can gain. So from today I'll be speaking maybe 2 or 3 hours. So devotees who are coming every day online, live satsang, please note down. From tomorrow, make at least 2-3 hours available every morning. I may speak on 2-3 sutras and do the question answers. This may be a full morning session and taking guys into the next level of spiritual awareness, sharing enlightenment. Next level of consciousness, sharing enlightenment. I'll prepare all of you this 1 week, especially for sharing enlightenment. Now it's time. We enter into the sutra. Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, 89th Sutra, 2nd chapter, 38th verse. A very powerful sutra, beautiful sutra. Brahmacharya pratishtayam viryalabaha. Right sutra to start. Swami Vivekananda's translation says, by being established in continence, the yogi gains energy. Swami Prabhavananda translates as, when a man becomes steadfast in his abstention from incontinence, he acquires spiritual energy. Swami Sachidananda translates as, by one established in continence, vigor is gained. Let me give my understanding on Brahmacharya Pratishtayam Viryalabaha. People usually ask me, what do you mean, Swamiji? You reading all those great masters like Vivekananda's translation and then adding your own translation, you think yours is much better than theirs? Just a few days before I got the question. See, I am not saying mine is better or greater and all that. Maybe Vivekananda did not spend much time on this sutra or on this scripture. Very casually he translated. Or he would have deputed that job to some disciples who would have done it very superficially. Then he would have commented it, spending very less time. I am not saying theirs is lower or no. All I am saying is, fortunately, I have more time to spend on these great books. Unfortunately, Vivekananda did not have a battalion of disciples when he was doing all this work. And no audio video recording possibility. Because if you see, the reminiscences says, he spoke on Yoga Sutras in Thousand Islands Park in USA. Every day he conducted hours. It says that morning they will cook. Only a small group of people stayed around him. Morning they will cook and eat, and then the sessions will go on till evening. And they will have their dinner. It seems they used to have 2 meals. That's what the reminiscences say. Then after the dinner again, they will whole night, it will go on till late night. And they will go and rest for 2-3 hours. But when you see the transcription, it doesn't look like on each sutra he pondered for hours. So I feel, because there was no audio recording or video recording facility, much was lost. So I just wanted some of the people who had this question to understand. Maybe he did not have much time to ponder, or whatever he expressed did not get recorded completely. That's all I feel. Anyhow, I have time. Fortunately, I have audio and video recording facility. And very fortunately, I don't need to travel to relate with the world because of our video conferencing facilities. Actually, exactly whatever I wanted is happening by the so-called unfortunate scandal. See, last 1 year I was talking. I don't want to travel here and there and waste time. And this is only one body, rare phenomena. I don't want to put the body into the risk of continuously putting it in the flight and in the cars and traveling. More traveling is more risk. So I always was thinking about it, and last 1 year I was continuously talking about it. I don't want to go around continuously just to give Kalpataru darshan and all that. I think we'll have to find some way. Existence is just making everything. So, and another one thing, master in a stable sangha is required in the initial time. The initial time for a conscious regeneration movement to happen, a master in a stable sangha where he is available every day at particular time for the community people, means the sangha people, where he is available at particular time for the administration, where he is available at particular time for a common man, where he is available for a particular time for people who come for healing or blessing. That stability of the time and place is essential for things to evolve, for the reproducible model to evolve. See, now, whoever stayed last 1 year in our community can just replicate whatever we are doing in different places. Because now if I put you as a head of an incha in ashram, you know that morning, wake up, do samana yoga, come and do Guru Puja, then give a morning satsang. If video conferencing available, relay Swamiji's message directly. If that is not possible, at least take the essence of yesterday or day before yesterday's morning satsang and talk to people, share that idea in the language which people understand. If it is a Hindi belt, talk in Hindi. If it is a Slovakian belt, talk in Slovakia. If it is a Russian belt, talk in Russian. Continue. Then whole day, take care of the other classes or sessions or administration. Evening again, come and sit for Aarti or unclutching session. And you have the whole day, you know the routine. You know what to do. This reproducible models who can share enlightenment happens only if a